pose. Yes, yes, yes. Turn around. Yes. Hello, darling. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show my vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Unati. Hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, babes, we are at the Two Oceans Aquarium. Look at Antili running. we're at the Two Oceans Aquarium because we want to go on the boat ride. We have two. We have the Canal cruise and the something else cruise. I forgot. Maybe I'll write it on the screen. They also gave us some earbuds. Guys, we are so tired from the wine train. Wow. Like, we are so tired. We just woke up so late. Everything is just taking so slow. So we just got here now. And yeah. There's a ramp here. Go around. So yeah, we are with the girls. Do you want to show in my vlog? Yes. Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Stu and we're having fun today.
Our two.
Hi guys. My name is our two and today we're going for a boat ride.
Yes. And you didn't say darling. She's been saying darling the whole day today. Yeah, so yeah, let's... These animals look so scary, guys. So scary. And I just hurt my leg. Ouch. This looks really nice, this boat. But these are the ones we're going to be getting on. Not this one. This one. Ooh, where am I sitting? Next to Mangi. We in the boat. Matembe, no! Matembe, come closer. No, Matembe.
No, Matembe, but we can't even see.
Yep. Matembe. Antuli. Away to Stu. Anele. Where's Anzipo? Anzipo. Now we are about to go on our second cruise. Nobody's here. This one is called the Canal Cruise. And here it is. But it looks like no one's here. Let's see, what time does this one start? There's no one working here. Papa Band. Papa Band. Look how pretty these are. I don't know. Our Bali. Look how nice this house is. So nice. I want to see all the pretty houses. Even this one. I like the trees. Wow. Hold my hands too and look at the sun. So nice. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again. We are done with the bus. We're going to buy food now. That was nice. I think it was a little bit slow.
Yeah, but it's the hard.
I thought it was.
It's so
I thought it was a little bit slow and a little bit boring at times, but I'm happy I still went on it because we've never done it, right? Yeah. Now we're going to go look for something to eat. Not sure what, but yeah, let's go get something to eat. Guys, we got these ice creams. I remember the last time I came here with Avu, we went to the shop. Okay, Mangi had the Dolce Dolce Luce
And the cookies
and cream. Metembe also got the same Dolce and cookies and cream. I got the ice cream sandwich, and there's a brownie cookie and a chocolate chip cookie. Look at that one, so yum. Cooked. But I decided to get what I know, the flavor that I tried. So yeah, it's fine. Wow, this is so cool. Wow, so many nice. This place is kind of like a market. I actually love it. Like, there's just so many things being sold, bags, yeah, so much. Look at all the toys. Guys, we are at this restaurant. Can I zoom? No, I can't zoom. We are at this restaurant called The Gibson. Look how crazy this menu is. Here it is. It's crazy. Over 215 milkshakes. Like, that's insane. That's crazy. But we did not order any milkshakes. We got this Valentine's Day cocktail, to gin cocktail with that and that and that. Matimba got a Savannah Dry. And then we ordered some ribs. And we also got a sirloin steak. And fish and chips because we are in Cape Town. Look at the burgers, guys. Wow. Yes, these burgers.
Next time we're gonna get burgers.
Yes, next time we're gonna get the burgers. Look at that.
These bad boys.
So juicy.
Chicken and beef together.
Yeah, chicken and beef together. We're going to get the original fish and chips because we're in Cape Town. You have to have fish and chips. Can we talk about how dark I am?
You don't?
Let me see. Matema, we're literally the same complexion.
What? No.
We are. I'm so
We're not the same complexion.
I'm so sunburned. And also look at my thumb. Sad. So sad. And Zipo, do you still have all your nails? Do you still have all of them?
Yeah.
Oh wow. You're doing well, Anzipo. Yeah, so I'll show you our food when it comes here. My cocktail is here. Mangi's cocktail is here.
Oh, I know why it's a precalum.
Right.
They're supposed to.
Cut it all the way through.
They're supposed to punch it in the center.
That's supposed to be onions. I can't even pull it.
Just cut.
Cut for me. Thank you. Let's try. It's nice. Our food is here. The steak, the fish and chips, and the bread. We are at the airport now. About to go check